Welcome back, learners. Today in our MATLAB series, we will learn about some commands related to trigonometry. If you haven't checked out our previous videos, you can find the playlist link in description. So without further ado, let's start. Our first command is use of trigonometric identities. Let's type sine 30 degrees and see the answer. As we know that sine 30 equals to 0.5, but the default setting of MATLAB is in radians, so the answer it provides us is negative 0.988 radians. To get answer in degrees, we have to write d with sine, that is sine d30. Now, the answer we get is 0.5. We repeat the same method with cosine and tangent, that is, add d with them so the answer we get is in degrees. As you can see here, that cosine 60 degrees equals to 0.5. But to get this answer, we need to add d with it. It looks a minor command, but can create problems later on. The second thing we'll learn today is how to use inverse of an identity. In the inverse case, we just have to use an a in the start of the trigonometric identity, that is, a sine. Let's see some examples to understand the concept better. Here, we will use the same concept of using d, because, as we learnt previously, that the default unit of MATLAB is in radians. Let's see these examples. The next command for today is how to use logarithm in MATLAB. Well, we simply write log and write the value in round brackets. Like here in the example, let's solve for log 1. And for the log with base 10, we simply write log then 10, and then write the value we have to solve for. The second last thing we'll learn today is how to take square root in MATLAB. We simply write SQ or T with the value in round brackets and press enter. Let's see the example of 64 and 4. The last thing we will learn today is the use of exponential. For exponential, just write exp and put the value in round in brackets, like how we did here in the example. The second way is to type e and then use caret, and then write the value we want as its power. Thank you for watching. Hope you all have learned something from the video. If you did, then be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and don't forget to practice what you have learned and stay tuned for more upcoming content.